Welcome back to the Volkswagen transporter heater thing. Oh, it's lovely and cosy in here. Oh, just going to turn it off. It's at 14 set and it's at 19. So we kind of worked out that actually the heater's probably too good. So I'm just going to turn that off. Off. Press the button for more than a second or two and it says off. So that's it. Going off. That says 19 degrees, 20 degrees, 19. That's fantastic. So I'll get to use it for real tonight. Ooh, brilliant. I hope you liked that video. Please like, share and subscribe.